Hi friends, this video is about the review of KEMEI Professional Hair Straightener. It is one of the cheap and best hair straightener available in the market with good reviews. About this hair straightener, it is so compact and weightless. About its features, it has quick heat up time of 30 seconds. Also, it has 4 temperature control from 160 to 220 degrees Celsius. It also has a power indicator. This device is made up of nano silver ceramic plates, also made up of thermobalance technology. When the plates are heated to the desired temperature, the device will automatically shut off. It has 2 meter long cord, so it is quite easy for styling. So if you are looking for a cheap and best straightener, you can go for this one. Now I am going to show you the result after using this hair straightener. For better result, apply aloe vera gel before straightening. Protects your hair from heat, also it gives a nice look. The straightening lasts until you wash your hair. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching.